So you want to transform any image or text prompt into an AI video? No problem. You're looking for AI video generators, and this free tool allows you to generate videos by describing scenes and characters, and even how to place them realistically in those scenes through detailed prompts. Let's check out Google AI Studio. Though it has many features to choose from, our focus is on the video generation capabilities using the Veo 2 model. Go to aistudio.google.com. Once you land on the page, you'll likely need to sign in with your Google account. For using features like the Veo 2 video generation, the platform may also require you to enable Google Drive access. This can be a necessary step for AI Studio to manage your projects or handle the files during the generation process. To begin, you'll typically navigate to a section like Video Gen or the area where you can access the generative models, often located on the left side of the interface in Google AI Studio. At the bottom, you have your field where you can either type in a prompt or upload an image. On the right side, you'll adjust your settings. Select Veo 2 as your model, choose the number of results if the option is available, pick your aspect ratio and set the duration. It often goes up to around 8 seconds for many standard outputs, which is quite good for short clips. Also, if there is something that you don't want to see in the video, you can add a negative prompt to guide the AI away from certain elements. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click the Run or Generate button. After a few moments, your AI-generated video will be ready to play and download. While this is an amazing tool, it does have its limitations. Firstly, Veo 2 is not widely available. Some users might not have access. If you're looking to use this a lot, it's not unlimited. You have only so many generations that you can use within a certain time, though this does reset. Also, some people have reported that you might have trouble generating videos from images containing people. If you're looking for an option, this is an excellent video generator and is currently free. It supports 720p resolution with no visible watermarks. If you found this helpful, go ahead and hit the like button. I'll be sharing information on additional AI video generators and tools in the upcoming content. For more resources for your AI journey, check out my prompt guide and detailed information in the description below.